Hello everyone, it's Lurks here. Welcome to my channel, and today how to replace the battery on your BMW Mini Key Fob. This is a CR2032 battery. I will show you how to take out the old one and replace it with a brand new one. This is the BMW Mini Cooper F56 model here, and I have to say it is a lovely motor. What you're going to need today is a flat bladed screwdriver and a brand new battery, and obviously your key fob. Right, let's get cracking. So the first thing you need to do is push this button here, and then you pull out the emergency bladed key. And that just leaves you with the key fob here. Now what you do is you turn this over, and what you need to do is you need to get this casing off. Now you need to put your flat bladed screwdriver into here and lift it outwards. Don't try and push it in because you could take some skin off your fingers. What you want is a bladed screwdriver that's as wide as that is. Then that makes it a lot easier. Because this case has never been off, it's quite stiff. So you're basically trying to pop it off, and there we go, it's just started moving. Once it starts moving, just get your finger under it and pull it out. There is a link above now about the fuse box location and how to check the fuses on your Mini Cooper. So this is inside the key, and you need to just pop out this attachment here. So just flip it upwards, and there we go, that's been released. So just take that off, and there is the battery. It's a CR2032, which is 3 volts. Now to pop this out, we'll just turn it around this way again. Get a small flat bladed screwdriver at the bottom there, but be very careful, don't push it in hard because obviously you've got a lot of electronics in there. Now take your brand new battery, push it against those springs at the top, and basically it's a reversal now. So just put that clip back in, that just slots in there. Get the case back on. Push it in at the top first. There is a link above now about the battery location and how to check the battery on your Mini Cooper. And there we go, that's all popped into place. And then the last thing to remember is to put the bladed key back in. Make sure that the key fob is working, and then stop for a lovely cup of tea. If you're going to be working on the Mini, make sure you've got a lovely cup of tea. There is a link above now about the OBD2 port location on your Mini Cooper F56. If you found that video useful, please subscribe by pressing this button down here. I really do appreciate you visiting my channel, guys and girls. If you'd like to select any other videos around here, that would be really cool. And be sure to hit that bell notification tab.